In the morning, Spot helped his mother do the shopping. Thank you, Spot. Now one of those. Woof. No, not that one, Spot. Woof. After lunch, he went into the park with his dad. Boo! Oh dear! Oh, 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 oh! Oh, it's you, Spot. At tea time, Tom came round to play.
Hello, Spot. I've come to play. Woof, woof, woof.
Tom! Where are you, Tom?
Boo! Woof.
After that, Spot was tired and ready for bed. It was fun today, wasn't it? Said Teddy. Yes, I suppose it was, yawned Spot. But I'm glad it's bedtime now. Good night. Night, night. Spot went into the garden for a last walk round.
Hello, Spot.
Said the bird.
It's time for me to go to bed. Me too,
Said Spot. I've just woken up, said the owl. I've got lots to do tonight. Rather you than me, said Spot. And he went back indoors. Spot kissed his dad goodnight, bounded upstairs, and jumped into his basket.
Woof, woof.
Spot's mum came in to say goodnight. Read me a story, Mum, said Spot. All right, said Sally. Now, let me see. Where did we get to? No. Spot snuggled down, cozy and warm. Ah, yes, here we are. Oh, you are a tired little pup, said Sally. Good night, Spot. Sweet dreams. And that's Spot.